Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to change lock screen clock style in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. So at first, if I lock my device and then double tap to unlock, then touch and hold on the lock screen, then type your current PIN or password and unlock your phone. Then you can see this interface, and from here you can customize your lock screen. If you want to change your clock style, just tap on clock. Now from here you can change your clock style and you can set any clock style as you like. If you want to set this clock style, just select it and you can see it's changed successfully. Also from here you can change your clock color and you can set any color as you like. And from here you can change your clock text style. You can set any style as you like. Also if you tap on clock, you can also change your clock position from here. Then tap on done. And it's done. Now your lock screen clock style has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change lock screen clock style in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.